So this is my drive up to go hiking at Forest Park, which is a cool little, it's not little, it's a huge urban park, and the drive there is so beautiful. And the hike itself, I will not say is difficult. It depends on how long you want to go and where you want to go, because there's different ways to go and a lot of signage, which will help you make the decision on where you want to go. I hiked for a little while. I didn't do anything extra strenuous today. By the time I got here, I started realizing it was getting really hot, even though I was in the trees, which was great. But once you came out into the sun, oh my gosh, it was another 90-degree day here in Portland area when I did this hike. So right now with the heat wave, I would recommend that you get here really early. Also, be careful with whatever items that you have in your vehicle that they're not seen, because I saw broken glass in the parking lot. It's unfortunate, but there's so many people breaking into cars nowadays. So just be mindful. And if you have a hotel or motel room, to leave most of your valuable stuff that you're not taking with you on the hike at your hotel room. It always gives me anxiety when I see broken glass at a hiking trail parking lot or at the beach. No one wants to lose their stuff. But anyway, this hike was excellent. It's so beautiful out here, peaceful. I had a really good time doing this hike, and for the most part it was pretty quiet. Now on my way back, I started running into more people. The people I'd meet on my way up, or the way I went on the hike, were polite, quiet. But on the way, when I decided to go back, that's when you started getting the groups of people with the conversations about work and, whatever else that I could hear a mile away before they even approached me. So, but anyway, it's free. It's great. I recommend getting here early during the heat wave or when it's hot out. You'll enjoy yourself. And there's plenty of parking on either side of the road. You might accidentally fly past it the first time when you start seeing them, but just turn around and come back and you'll know where to go. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, everyone. How quiet it is. It's cool in the trees. It's like 90 degrees here. That sound you hear is my water, if anybody's curious. Of course, me walking. I think they're called man wipes. I mean, you can get any one of the big towel ones, but I really like them. They do make you feel like you're cleaner, and they don't have all those chemicals in them. A little more expensive, but they came in handy, and they're a larger wipe. So like going on this hike, in sweating some, actually quite a bit, I use those and going about my day, hopefully anyway. So, but they definitely have come in handy. So the man wipes, I don't think they really have too much of a scent either. Anybody could use them, by the way. Well, getting out of here right in time, actually. I like the peace, not hearing everybody's conversation, so I'm starting to get more people on the trail, so it's a perfect time to head back. Let's go find somewhere to eat. Eating a lot. I don't know, some guy passed me playing banjo music like on his phone, and all I could think of was Deliverance. So yeah, let me get up out of here. This ain't West Virginia, but you never know. So I found St. John's neighborhood actually on accident when I took a wrong turn at Forest, trying to get to Forest Park. And so I told him I made a mental note to go back and go check it out once I got done with the hike. And so I went back, and I really liked this little part of town. It's quaint, the little bitty downtown. Unfortunately, or fortunately, right now they're doing construction and stuff, so some stuff was harder to get to, but tons of cool little places. I actually wanted to check out a vegan like barbecue place, and the problem is it's open these like weird days, like Thursday through Sunday or something, and I visited on a Tuesday. But I found this little Thai cafe and it was actually really good. So that was a win-win for me. I walked around for a bit, but I got to remind everybody this day was well over 90 degrees, so I couldn't stay out that long. I do really like the St. John's area of Portland. I think it's really neat, really quaint too. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my videos, and thanks for watching. I just love these neighborhoods in Portland. They are so freaking gorgeous. Really cool, y'all. It's definitely a beautiful town to ride a bike in. I see why so many people ride bikes.